Today, I am going to be sharing my experience, particularly for you if you are over 40, for you if you are still employed, but your day job is no longer inspiring. It no longer just makes you energetic to get up and do it. Somehow you feel stagnant, or you are over 50 and you are beginning to think about retirement, whether it is early retirement or you just want to augment your monthly income so that you meet your day-to-day style of living. I am sharing this information with you because I've been there. I'm Linda. Before I exited my day job in government, I started thinking about soft landing, what I will do when I exit. And what is interesting is that I kept on postponing addressing this matter seriously until the time to exit was knocking right at the door. Briefly, I was not adequately prepared for exiting the public service. So, what I'm going to be sharing with you is a valuable lesson I learned when I joined Modern Wealthy, that for any venture, business, or whatever project, it is important to do these three things. You prepare, and then you launch, and then you grow whatever you are working on. Preparation, and then you launch the venture or the business, and then obviously you grow it. I was not aware of these very, very critical stages that I am sharing with you because, as I've just indicated, I was not strategic when it came to preparing for exiting my day job. So I then registered and I joined Modern Wealthy after being exposed to valuable programs when it comes to business models. Remember, I was coming from the cold as a professional. I then learned that in order to safeguard myself from just crumbling, I needed a business model that will do the heavy lifting for me, while, for instance, I have my handle and I become confident to do what I am now sharing with you. That is why I then chose, after being exposed to a very enriching program, I chose to be an affiliate marketer. I'm an affiliate for Launch You. Launch You is doing the heavy lifting. My focus is to make sure that in this partnership, I send business to the merchant and I then get my commission. In my previous video, I shared programs, just 5 programs, that is the affiliate programs, because I've just indicated to you that I chose to partner with a brand that has a track record that would do the heavy lifting while I am learning the ropes, while obviously getting income. And that is what I chose to do. And digital marketing has been a real, I would say, gem in my life, because when I elected to go the digital marketing route, all that I could do it was to use a laptop. Other than that, I was not technologically savvy, but I then registered for a program that did not require sophistication. I just needed to have a laptop and access to the internet. And that is where I am today. I am doing so much. I have published a free ebook, by the way. Feel free to visit my website, and it is listed below this video. This week, I am going to be publishing the second ebook, which is focusing. It is a manual, it's a handbook, it's a resource when it comes to affiliate marketing. Had it not been for the decision I took after joining Modern Wealthy, I wouldn't be talking with such confidence. I've moved from ground zero to where I am now. I'm not yet there, but I am celebrating every day. I am learning, and the business is growing. I am coaching people now, and I cannot look back, and I don't even regret having exited formal employment. So, in my previous video, I shared with you that for the purposes of what I am sharing with you, I would just be focusing on 5 affiliate programs. That is, when you partner with a merchant, with a brand, you could do one of the 5 programs. You could elect to take business to the merchant or to the brand in return for commission when there is a sale. That's number 1. Number 2, you could elect or choose to get into high ticket sale. What that means is that high ticket sale will give you commission from $1,000 upwards. That is high ticket stuff, not just $50, etc. So you could choose to zoom into that. You could also choose just to move business and get subscriptions for a brand or for a merchant. What is good about subscriptions is that if a person subscribes, you can get your monthly commission or annually. But subscriptions are usually monthly and annually. So you could choose to zoom into that program, a program of subscriptions. Say there is software, you get subscribers, people subscribe on a monthly basis or on a yearly basis, you get your commission. And the 4th program, you can choose to ferry business to a brand if action has been taken. For example, if a person completes a survey and you then get your commission, if there is an activity that is taken by whoever you have introduced to the brand, you then get your subscription. So that is performance-based. And then finally, you can elect, that is the 5th one, you can elect to feed the merchant with customers who will make phone calls that will lead to a sale. That is just phone calls. Telemarketing is a classic example, and there are quite a number of people who get involved in that. However, what I would like to share with you from experience, I also learned that while it is important as an affiliate to go the affiliate marketing route, it's also important to do research so that whoever you choose to partner with is a brand that is credible, that has a track record, because although affiliate marketing is low risk, there are also risks involved. I'm just citing an example. If you choose to go the affiliate marketing and you choose a program that says you need to do something or complete a survey and you will then be remunerated for that, you get a commission for that, it is important that that activity, and this is important, that activity must be real. It must not be an activity that did not happen. Fortunately, and I do want to underline that the reason it is important to partner with brands that have a track record is because they too have a way of mitigating the risk of fraud. And for me, I went the affiliate marketing with Launch You because it's a brand that has a track record and they do the heavy lifting. My job is to market and introduce potential customers to them, and then the rest they do. And they too, just as I am risk averse, they too are risk averse, but they have the machinery, they have the infrastructure, they have the expertise to do what I don't have. And that is why I find affiliate marketing to be suitable, particularly for somebody who comes from the code. There are people who are already comfortable and well established, etc. But if you are a new entrant, you want to make sure that you minimize risk. And finally, in my previous videos, I have highlighted the importance of self-development. What I would like to share with you before I wrap up in this video is that had it not been for looking at my situation or circumstance in a holistic manner, I wouldn't be sharing this information with you with such confidence, because there were times when the going was tough. However, the program, the Launch You program, was so supportive that the focus was not just to be in business to make money. The focus was also assisting me. There was a program that was assisting me to develop myself inwardly now and consider health, a healthy mindset, to consider just physical health. That is why I would get up in the morning and make sure that I feel good for that morning. If it meant taking a walk so that I'm just fresh as I plan the day, I did that. So what I'm saying is that this is not just about affiliate marketing business. I was exposed to a program that is holistic, a program that wanted me to succeed. and be wealthy, and be wealthy inside, in order for the external challenges of doubt, of querying certain things as if it's not going to be there. I learned patience. I learned confidence. I learned to pause and be still when I'm not sure. I learned to discover exactly who I am, and that is why I am sharing this confidently, that the affiliate program I am part of has assisted me to be a business person who is rounded, and a business person who is assured that money is now flowing, and that there are other important things like health, like making sure that there is time for family and friends, time for myself, that there is time for me to also look at supporting a charity I founded 12 years ago. If I hadn't gone this route, I wouldn't be sharing this information. And should you find this video helpful, enriching, please remember just to press the like button, do subscribe, and share this video with other people, because I look forward to being with you in the next video. And I also hope that there is value addition that I have contributed. Thank you very much. Give it a thumbs up.